Good day guys, welcome to Plutomania Tech. So very quickly in this video, I'm going to show you guys a very new update, and in this update, I'm going to show you guys how to really make a lot of money. So this update is actually a crypto update, and for us in Nigeria that the government banned cryptocurrency, let me just tell you, there's still ways that we can actually earn from cryptocurrency, and this cryptocurrency is something that I'll be making a video soon on how I'll show you guys how to be able to still buy crypto, still sell crypto, to still trade crypto. You can still do whatever you want with the crypto. Like CBN bounding trading of cryptocurrency does not stop us from making money online. So now I have this update for you, and in this update you can make a lot of money from just this new coin that's about to listed. So I'm in my app. This is Hotbit app, and Hotbit is all about trading. So the name of this new cryptocurrency being listed is PUMLN. PUML. Okay. PUML. Okay, as you see here, PUML. And very soon it's going to be listed. And once it's listed, you'll be able to trade it with USDT. So, okay, let's get straight into it. So let me tell you guys how to actually get this coin. So the thing is that I'm going to drop a link for you to download the app, because the app for you guys to be able to get this coin is not on Play Store. Let me search for Play Store so you guys know what I'm saying. So sorry. So if I search for PUML, I'm not sure. Okay, the app won't show because the app is actually restricted from Nigerians. So it's only for people outside the country. But there's a trick to this. So now there's a link at the description of this video, and in that link it's where the file of the app is. So once you click on that link, you'll be able to get the app. Okay, so once you download the app is not on Play Store, so you can't find it. Once you download the app, don't open it. Like, this is the app right here. Don't open the app once you download it. Do not open it. What you need to do is there will be a link I will send to you, which is also at the description of this video. Just go there, and it's an invite link. Now this invite link is, if you don't have an invite link, you can't be able to access this app. You won't be able to earn. And this is for people in Nigeria. Without this link, this invite link, you must be invited. So let me just click on that link real quick. And once you click on the link, make sure you open it with the app. Make sure you do that. If you do it with Chrome or any other browser, you might be tracked and they will block your account and you won't earn from this. So open it up with the app real quick. So let me just click on the app, and let's just see what happens next. Just once, click on just once or all the time. Okay, let me just continue with mobile. Okay, so now let me fill in my number. So now for me, why now if I click on this number place, let's look for Nigeria. Why I'm able to see Nigeria is because I used an invite link. If you don't have an invite link, you will be able to see Nigeria. Even if you see Nigeria, you won't be signed in successfully because they will block you automatically. So once you click on the invite link, you'll be able to see Nigeria. Once you click on Nigeria, just put in your phone number. Put in your phone number. 051293. I forgot my phone number. Okay, just click I've read and I agree to the terms of condition. Now this coin will be listed very soon, and if it's I think it's going to be listed as $2 per one, and if you multiply that times 100, that is almost $200, I guess. So I'm not really good with the calculations and everything, but you understand what I'm talking about. You guys understand what I'm saying. So let's just do this real quick. Just click on continue. Okay, now they will send a confirmation code. Okay, the confirmation code enters immediately. um let's just wait and see what happens. Continue. Okay, I have to just put in my username. I think let me pause this video and do that. Let me just, okay, Davis, let me just do that real quick. Okay, let me just pause this video and complete everything. Okay, I think I need to show you guys this. So just once they say connect your sponsor feed, just click on connect later. Connect later. Let's just make this video really quick and short. All right, you just put in your year of birth, your height, and your weight. Let me just do that real quick. So now you just fill in some bunch of information. Once you do that, you just put in a quick 4-digit code. So you choose your own code and do it. So let's do this ASAP. So immediately you sign up, immediately they will give you 10 UPML. And this coin will be listed soon. This coin can be listed for $2, $5. Just imagine you have this coin in 100 places. Just imagine. And for you to earn more, you just invite your friends and family. Just, you can send this to your mom, your dad, use your mom's dad phone, your brother's phone. Just do this. Everybody can earn. You can earn at as little as any amount. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's do this immediately. This coin will be listed by tomorrow, so you can get your cash by tomorrow. So sign up ASAP, please. Thank you.